Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Right? Have you all had your breakfast, dears? You should have your breakfast in the morning. Do not skip your breakfast. Okay, dears? Shall we start today's session? Today we are going to see the continuation of last class. What we see in the last class? Last class we see this picture homework. This is what we see yesterday. I can do, circle the correct picture. Hat, H-A-T, hat. This is a hat picture. Second one, shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. It is a pair of shoes. Next one, pants, P-A-N-T-S, pants. This is the pants. Next one, tie, T-I-E, tie. This is a tie. What is this? It is a tie. Next one, second one, listen and write the correct one. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. We smell with our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We smell with our nose. We walk on our legs. We walk on our legs. L-E-G-S, legs. We clap with our hands. We clap with our hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Third Roman letter, tick the things that are yellow in color. First one, mango. Mango is yellow in color, so tick. Next, a rat. It is in grey color, so it is not yellow in color. Sun. Sun is in yellow color, so tick the correct one. Rose, which is in red color. Then banana. Banana is in yellow color. Banana is in yellow color. So mango, sun and banana are the things which are in yellow color. Next one, listen to the teacher and read the story and circle the words the teacher repeats. First word, what I say? Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Home, H-O-M-E, home. Soon, S-O-O-N, soon. Stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand. Came, C-A-M-E, came. Home, H-O-M-E, home. We already see. Here, fifth one, read and match. It is a rhyming word. Tail, pale. Tail, pale. Pay, say. Pay, say. Male, pale. Male, pale. Flame, blame. Flame, blame. Train, brine. Train, brine. Here are some of the things which I can jump, I can write, I can swim, I can climb, I can read, I can sing. Next one, fill a or an. Okay, These are the some of the thing name or object's name. We have to mention a or an. An comes when the words start with the vowel letter. What are the vowel words? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sound. Okay, vowel A. So here is a A. We have to put an. Here ox. O. So an ox. An apple. Egg. E. Okay. An egg. An egg. An apple. A jug. A box. An ox. A tap. A kite. An egg. A van. Next one. Recite the poem The Magic Words. Here is a magic words, right? Page number 88. Read with me the magic words. When we want someone to help, what do we say? Please, please, please. When someone helps us out, what do we say? Thank you, thank you, thank you. When we make someone cry, what do we say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Say them as you need. Say them to make it all good. These are some of the magic words. What are the magic words? Please, thank you and sorry. When we have to use these magic words, when we want someone to help, when we want someone's help, we have to say please. We have to say please. When someone helps us out, when someone helps us out, what do we say? We say thank you, thank you, thank you. When we make someone cry, what do we say? We say sorry, sorry, sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Say them as you need. Say them to make it all good. Next one. So, here we recite the poem The Magic Words. Learning outcome. Now I can name clothes and colors. Name the parts of the body. Use a, an in the sentence. Read phonic words. Say words with long A. Recite the poem The Magic Words. Read sight words. Answer using I can. Read the story. What do you see? Understand and follow simple instructions. Next one. Know your feelings. Know your feelings, okay? Do you like this flower? This girl asked goat. What she asked? Do you like this flower? This is a red rose. So she asked, do you like this flower? This is a red flower. She asked, do you like this flower? To the goat. The goat replied, no, I like that one. Just this is, okay. The goat likes this one, okay. What she asked, do you like this flower? The goat replied, no, I like that one. Let us recall. First one, tick the correct word for the picture. Tick the correct word. First one, this girl is, what she is doing? She is jumping. She is jumping. So tick the correct word. Jump or sit? She is jumping. Tick the correct word. Next one, this boy is sitting. What he is doing? He is sitting. Hop or sit? He is sitting. S-I-T, sit. She is jumping. J-U-M-P, jump. Okay. Next one. Second one, make one into many. Make one into many. How many cap are there? It is one cap. It is only one cap. One cap. Here, one, two. Two caps. Okay. When we say it in plural form, we have to add yes. Caps. C-A-P-S. Caps. Okay. One cap. Two caps. Two caps. Next one, fill a an. This is bun, okay. B is not a vowel word, so we add a. This is a bun. Second one, this is a kite. K is not a vowel word, so we have to write yeah. This is a kite. This is a bun. This is a kite. Here axe. A is a vowel word. A-E-I-O-U. A is a vowel word, so we have to add an. Okay. An. A-N. An. Okay. This is a bun. This is a kite. This is an axe. This is an axe. This is a bun. This is a kite. This is an axe. Okay, dears. Next one. Here some of the feelings they have given. Let's see. Look and say. First one, happy. This boy and girl buying the balloons from the buyer. Okay, they get the balloons, so they were happy. They were happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Next one. This boy throw the banana in the ground. So he was angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Because we have to put the waste on the dustbin only. Not put the waste in the ground. So this boy was angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Next one, this girl is sleeping in the chair. Okay, so how she feel? She is sleepy. She is sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y, sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y, sleepy. Next one, this uncle is very hungry. So he want food. Okay. So he want food. This is called as hungry. ரொம்ப பசிக்குது அவருக்கு. Hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Next one, this boy is very tired of playing. What he is feeling? He is feeling very tired. He is feeling tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. He was tired because of playing. Okay. Next, this is, he feel energetic only, but he don't want to do any work. So he is lazy. He is lazy. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. What are we study? First one, happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired and lazy. Okay. Next one, this boy is getting water because he is very thirst. He wants water to drink. How it feel? It is very thirsty. தாகமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty. Next one, this boy is seeing his shirt, but it was இப்படி கிழிஞ்சிருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா? So this boy was very shocked to see this tear dress. He was shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked. Next one, scared. This boy is scared of this dog. Because the dog was barking, this boy get scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Next one, he was seeing the broken pot. He is seeing the broken pot, so he was very sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Next one, this girl is surprised on seeing those gifts. So she was surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. What are the feelings we see today? Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired, lazy, thirsty, shocked, scared, sad, surprised. My dear students, send a voice note on these words. Okay, you have to tell only, tell your name, standard, then the feelings. Topic, what you have to say? The feelings: happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired, lazy, thirsty, shocked, scared, sad, surprised. Okay, send a voice note like this and send to in our WhatsApp group. Okay dears, thank you, have a nice day.